Yeah, man. But still, we can't give up. Because we know say some of them is French are rule for them country. Some of them is American, some is English, some is German. So what we are deal with is something where we know say if we not deal with it, I mean, it have to be dealt with, you know. We just lucky say, me glad to say, well, and yes, me know that when time we have fight this war, you know, you find say it's not just a war of survival, it's a war of survival of a people, a rascal thing, because God control time, you know. That means how long you want to be giddy. You can go on the morning, come back young again, and the night and just done again, and then tomorrow morning it get young again every day. You know what I mean? So man have to make up his mind because he can't outlive time. So needless him put off. Get it now.
The time is now.
Because the time is now. We don't want our children come blood clot, suffer in the streets again, man, like how we suffer. No, our children look to we for several yes, you must prepare the way now because, you know what I mean? I mean, we know that why we suffer through this blood clot. That means we can't afford for really, we can't do it. We can't become junkies. You know, that means you say plenty man, you know, plenty man, him will just turn to the back, you know, because when him drink it, it make him forget.
Okay.
So him forget for a little time and, you know, blood clot, because when him conscious, all them children, them a cry upon him. Him have to do something, you know. Him figure says money, but it's not blood clot money, it's way I tell them. Because if you no mind sharp, it will become money. Because them will always like them want this and them want, and you know, will put like a ties and what them for know. What them for know? The way I figure. What them for know. That means you can take education after. Don't bother take education and come know this. Because it was terrible.
How long have you been a Rasta?
Well, I've been a Rasta from ever since. You know? But it's not how long I've been a Rasta, it's how long it takes you to grow up. Because what he is what he is. From beginning to the end, you can never change. Because if you even adapt things, later out, you won't filter right out. So we're just Rasta from creation, you know. And as you know, politics divide and rule. Politics don't show people God. Politics tell you that somebody can do something fair. You know? What we know is God that do everything. So the best man to deal with is God. When you deal with God, you don't deal with politics because politics divide.
Do you have to smoke to be a Rasta?
No, man. We know that when you're sick, you go to the doctor. So nobody wants to die. So if you don't want to die, then there's something happening there. So the best man to find out from, if you can live, is God. Now, to find out from God, you have to find God. Now, when we search in reality, we find Haile Selassie, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, Conqueror, Lion of Judah. That is our tradition. Some part of Africa take time to turn desert, like a sun heat up a coming. Well, look more. When this blood clot earth vex, God earth vex now, you know. The earth itself vex. Because them underrate the earth. You know, and the earth vex, God earth's the Lord and the fullness thereof. Yeah. So the earth vex. And when time the earth go back to theme spot, because them tell you say, if there was a river running through here, and a man dry it up, and put land there, you know, and build it up theme way, the river is coming back to its place. That means every hole where them digging the earth, when they're rightful, the earth want back that blood clot space. And you know, say them have whole heap of things underneath. That means when the earth come with all a 5 minutes earthquake. Guys, earthquake, them are making, you know. They make blood clot earthquake, you know. It going to be red, man.